Hello everyone. I, the principal of Sri Venkateshwara Primary and High School, is delighted to inform that we have secured very good percentage with maximum number of distinctions. And three of our students by name Dhanush, Balaji and Vivek. They are the toppers of our school, and the other two students, Mercy and Sushmita P. They are the distinction students. Really I am very happy and I congratulate all the students for getting this good percentage. Thank you. These three toppers, not only in all the subjects they have got, and in Hindi, two of the students have secured out of out in Hindi, and one student he has secured out of out in mathematics. I am really proud of them. Who has scored 95%, he is the topper of our school, and he is going to introduce himself.
My name is Dhanusham. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara High School. I am really proud to be in this school. Really, we have very good facilities from the school. So only I have been able to get so much marks. And even in our science, teacher would show many models so that we can explain, and we can also get knowledge more. So that from that she will explain us each part of our body also, so that we will get to know how the many experiments even they will conduct in our class, so that we will come to know, we can see that lively, and we will also come how the experiment will go on. And whatever the experiments will be in textbook, all the experiments will be performed by our teachers in front of us in the classroom, so that all can see it. And even our teachers will encourage us for many competitions. Even we have gone for many inter-school competitions. Even they will encourage us for, we all have participated in many competitions, so that we will gain extra knowledge through that. We have gone to many schools, and we have won many prizes also from that. Really, I am proud to be in this school. I have scored 95%. Um, I have got 116 marks in English, 98 marks in Kannada, 100 marks in Hindi, 93 marks in Maths, 93 marks in Social, and 94 marks in Science. Thank you.
Topper of our school by name Balaji Ram. He scored 94% and he scored out of out in mathematics.
Okay.
Now he is going to introduce himself.
Hello everyone, my name is Balaji Ram. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara School. It's a very nice school. I have got this much nice score because of teachings of my teachers, and because my friends has helped, and teachers have also helped me a lot to get this much percent. Here teachings are not only teach by theory, but they are also shown by practical, so we can understand a lot. They are teaching in a way that we cannot forget. And at last they have also, after teaching all lessons, they have also given us revision classes, so we can clearly understand every chapter and memorize that. And teachers have also conducted tests every week at the end of the week, Friday. They can cover every chapter done in that week. And here they will teach all students same way, and they will teach in a way that all can get distinction and first classes. So I am very proud to study in this school. And teachers they will teach very nicely. Every teacher will be very friendly, and also they will be also strict. And I got 94%. In Maths I got 100, in Social I got 98, in Science I got 95, in Kannada I got 99, and Hindi I got 99, and in English I got 99. Thank you.
The third topper of our school, this is Vivek Kumar Mandal. He scored out of out in Hindi. I am really very happy. He is going to introduce himself.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivek. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara High School. Here we are provided with excellent computer labs for individual practicals after the theories, and we are also provided with smart class thrice a week, so that we can understand visually the lessons. I have studied this school from pre-KG. Here the teachers give individual consult to adult students, and we can individually consult the teachers for doubts and other things. 82% in the annual exams. I got 109 in English, got 91 in Kannada, 100 in Hindi, 94 in Maths, 90 in Social, 96 in Science. Thank you.
Is Sushmita BA, who is a very good student and she is a lively student. She will ask the teachers if any doubts is required, and because of that she scored distinction here. So I would like her to introduce herself.
ಹಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುಷ್ಮಿತಾ. ನಾನು ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ 12 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಿ ಕೆ ಜಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೇ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೋ ಕಾರಣನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು. ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫುಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಓದಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರಣನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೆಡಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೇನೇ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ನಾವು ಆಚೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
This is student Mercy, who is lively in the class, and she is also a very good student who has got distinction. So I would like her to introduce herself.
Hello everyone, my name is Mercy Catherine. I'm studying here from pre-KG. Here the teachers are really very good in teaching. They have supported us. They never discourage us. They have taught us everything on time to time. If we have any doubt, they always used to solve it. They always used to do practicals as well as theory. They have taken more risk to score this much good result. And they also used to give the model papers and the question papers passing package. That's why most of the students have passed this test. And here they used to conduct all extracurricular activities, and we learned much about it. We gained extra knowledge from that. We went to other competitions like Pratibha Karanji. Then they conducted Mehendi, karate, then drawing, everything. So we learned many things from that. We also won many prizes. Thank you.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಒಂದನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಸೀಸ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. So I am really very proud to introduce the class teacher of 10th standard, Srimati Murugaselvi.
Thank you, ma'am. Murugaselvi, I am been taking science. I have been here from past 10 years, and I am the science teacher. So we have been taking for 6th to 10th standard. I first wanted to thank the management because they have provided us with well equipped all the internal facility whichever we needed, especially the classrooms, labs, and also the smart boards which they have provided us will make us comfortable to explain to the students. After the lessons has been completed, we can be explaining with that one, which makes the student to learn not only verbally but audio is there and even visually. So they will be able to respond and read, and they can ask many questions regarding this one. So we are very much proud to say that we have so many toppers and distinctions and first classes in this year. And also we have well equipped computer labs, and also science labs are there, libraries is there, and our class this one is also classrooms are well equipped. So another one thing means we have extracurricular activities. So our aim is not only make the students to learn what has to be there in the books, we are giving them extracurricular activities so that they can see, learn with the fun and activities. So fun, activity, both base them, make them lively, and so that they can cover all the things together, making them very active.
I am proud to say that our students have got very good percentage in 10th standard. Though there was a gap of 3 months, if that gap would have not been there, they would have secured even more percentage. So that gap made them to take less percentage, and our teachers are so enthusiastic to know the result of the student, and rather than the students, the two teachers are very much keen on the result because they have taken very hard step to get the percentage for the school. See, I advise all the students to continue the same percentage and even more for PUC, and I congratulate all the teachers and the students for the success of the result. And I wish the students should get good benefits from the college and the school henceforth. I once again congratulate all the staff and particularly the students for the successful of the result.